Tracking mobile versus desktop rankings is crucial if you want to understand how your website performs on different devices. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to track those rankings with ease and give you a tool that I've personally tested and recommend. Stick around till the end because I'll share a special free trial offer exclusive to viewers of my channel. Let's dive right in. First, you need to know that the search engine algorithms treat mobile and desktop rankings differently. This can impact how your site appears to users depending on whether they're on a mobile or desktop device. Tracking both is essential for making data-driven decisions about your SEO strategy. There are a few key tools out there for tracking mobile versus desktop rankings, but not all of them offer a comprehensive solution. I've tried a few popular ones, but today I'm going to focus on the tool I found works best for tracking these rankings, both for mobile and desktop views. Let's start with the mobile rankings. The easiest way to track mobile rankings is by using a tool that simulates a mobile search environment. Tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs have this built-in feature where you can see how your site ranks on mobile devices specifically. You can access this by selecting the mobile view option in their rank tracking tools. This shows you where your website ranks in Google's mobile search results, helping you identify if your mobile site is optimized well. For desktop rankings, you'll want to use the same approach but select the desktop option. You may already be familiar with this, but if you're tracking mobile too, it's important to look at how rankings differ between mobile and desktop views. This can highlight issues like slow load times or non-mobile friendly elements that affect your rankings on mobile searches. So why should you care about tracking both mobile and desktop rankings? Well, the majority of searches today happen on mobile devices. In fact, Google has even switched to mobile-first indexing, meaning the mobile version of your website is considered the primary version. Tracking mobile rankings ensures you're keeping up with this trend and adjusting your site for mobile-first indexing. But you also can't ignore desktop rankings entirely. Some industries or keywords may still get a higher volume of desktop traffic. It's important to track both to get the complete picture of how your site is performing. Now, I know there's a ton of data out there to sift through, so it's also essential to track your rankings over time. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs not only let you track rankings, but also let you analyze trends and adjust your strategy. The key here is consistency. Check your rankings regularly to see how changes to your website affect your mobile versus desktop performance. Now, I've tried several rank tracking tools, but the one I recommend for both mobile and desktop rankings is the one linked below. I've partnered with them to give you an exclusive free trial. The link is in the description. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Tracking both mobile and desktop rankings is essential for a complete view of how your site is performing in different search environments. Remember to focus on tools that offer a mobile-first approach, but also keep an eye on desktop performance. To recap, use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to track mobile and desktop rankings. Mobile-first indexing is crucial, but desktop rankings still matter. Regular tracking helps you stay on top of performance and trends. Don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description. You can follow along with me, and trust me, it'll help you keep your rankings on point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.